in my last project, that of making a platter, a live edge platter out of wedding cookies, walnut. I had some issues with trying to part off the platter from the lathe because of the banjo being too short. So I got something that might help me with that issue. Hey, a box within a box. A bag in a box in a box. A box in a bag in a box in a box. Yes, I got it. Whoa, let's not lose that. Got a Robert Sorby Patriot chuck. The reason I got this is because it uses adapters, and I can get one that fits my lathe without using the step down adapter from 12 TPI to 8 TPI. I can mount it directly on the spindle. But I couldn't get the adapter other than getting it from Grizzly. Or the insert, rather, not an adapter. They call it an insert. Hey, at least this isn't a box in a box. A box in a bag in a box in a box. I guess that's the insert. Okay, time for me to read the instructions on this thing and figure out a project to use it with. I'll get back to you later. If anyone's watching these videos, I know what you're saying. You're saying, hey, the Nova chucks, they use inserts too. But I was reading up on them and I saw on forums so many people had problems with them. I guess they're good chucks, but this one here, the Robert Sorby, says you don't even need to worry about the numbers of the chuck jaws. They're all milled the same. And I figured you might want to see an unboxing of it. We've got a accessories chart. I'm guessing that's a manual. One chuck with some jaws. Let's not have that go flying. There's a wood worm screw, a couple Allen wrenches. I don't know. A Robert Sorby, I don't know if that's supposed to, I guess, go around your wrist so that you can advertise. Ooh, and a big wrench. Okay. Time for me to read the instructions. Oh, yeah. That's to tighten and loosen it.